Okay.
Cultural variations and social differences. Cultural variations and social differences refer to the diverse ways in which cultures and societies around the world differ from one another. These differences can manifest in various aspects, including beliefs, values, customs, traditions, norms, behaviors, and social structures. Harper 2010. Cultural variations show how different groups develop unique ways of life based on their environment, history, and social interactions like gender, race, and disability, leading to disparities in resources and opportunities. Understanding and respecting these variations and differences is vital of promoting inclusivity, addressing inequalities, and fostering unity. Embracing diversity can help societies work towards greater equity, tolerance, and solidarity among their members.
Very good po.
Senior High School. Heritage, understanding culture, society and politics.
Okay, very good po.
Textbook.